Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get iPhone framed screenshot. If you are using any iPhone and you want to get a framed screenshot, so let's see how can you do that. First of all, you just have to open up your browser and here you have to simply search for Apple framed screenshot. So you just have to search for this. Once you have searched, you just have to open a website from here and you have to look for the download link. And here's the download link, simply tap on it. And once you have, it will open up in your shortcuts app. So you just have to add shortcuts. Simply tap on setup shortcut from here, then select next, then select add shortcut. And once you have added this shortcut, you just have to go back and here you just have to take a screenshot. Once you have taken a screenshot, simply tap on the share option, then tap on more, then scroll down and you will get the Apple Frames option. Simply select that, then tap on OK. And once you have that, your frame screenshot will be ready. So in this way you can easily take frame screenshot on any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.